Next, we request our staff, Ms. Alagapandi and Lakshmi Priya, to introduce our honorable and beloved chief guest, Mr. Sembagam ma'am, and Smart Home, Mr. Chandran sir.
What is a soul? It's like electricity. We don't really know what it is, but it is a force that can light a room. I now invite Mrs. Senbagam ma'am, Assistant Executive Engineer of Tamil Nadu Electric Board. Welcome you ma'am. Who helps to light up the city and making it brighter like her smile. On behalf of Lakvin Academy, we welcome you ma'am. Design is not just what it looks like and feels, design is how it's work. Now I welcome Mr. Chandran sir for making this occasion as a fabulous home with our presence. I welcome you Chandran sir, Smart Home Chandran sir. On behalf of Lakvin Academy, we welcome you sir. Next, lightning the Kutuvalaka. I invite Shenbagam ma'am, NMS sir, Pushpa ma'am, Chandran sir and Sangeeta ma'am to light the Kutuvalaka.
टाइगर का हुक्म। टाइगर का टाइगर का हुक्म। टाइगर का हुक्म। टाइगर
Senbagam ma'am. Pushpa ma'am and Rajagopala ma'am, we welcome you ma'am.
துணிவோடு பாதங்கள் திமிரோடு சீருங்கள் வாருங்கள் வாருங்கள் பூமியின் கோலங்கள் இது உங்கள் காலம் இனிமேல் உலகம் பார்க்க பாதது மனைவியின் வீரங்கள்
Looking back, our reflections of our ability. Looking ahead, our goals. I request Mrs. Sangeeta ma'am, Managing Director of Lakwin Academy, to deliver our annual day report.
Check.
Good evening to all. This is our kit, play school kit, bag, uniform. Kamarajar birthday celebration is Kamarajar birthday celebration is celebrated on 7th July. The paper. Next slide, please. Friendship Day on August. Independence Day on August. Krishna Jayanti celebration on September. Vinay Chaturthi celebration on 9th September. Red Day celebration on October. Lollipop Day celebration on October. Golu celebration October. Blue Day celebration was celebrated on November. Diwali celebration November. Children's Day celebration on 14th November. Kartiya Deepam was celebrated on 26/11. Christmas celebration celebrated on December month. Pongal celebration was celebrated on in the month of January. Matavandi ride was there. Kids enjoyed too much to the core. Republic Day celebration on January. These are all the play school takeaway the students took. Birthdays were celebrated for these students. Abhi, Rudra, Vikesh, Vedesh, Deena, Kani, Kashmita. Thank you.